Hey to everyone. In this simple video I'm showing step by step on how to fix hard drive not showing up in Windows 10 and 11 File Explorer. So, without waste of time, let me start. Okay. Here you can see I have a second partition that is missing on this computer. So, let me show to you how to fix it. Move on desktop. Right-click on this PC icon. Select Manage. Here click on Device Manager. Now here you can see the drive is hidden here. To make it active in File Explorer, all what you have to do is right-click on it. Select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Here click on Add. Then you will see assign the following drive letter. Go on, select the letter that you would like to use for your drive. After selecting, click on OK. Now here you will see it's active. Let me minimize this and check in File Explorer. Good. Here you can see the drive has come. So that's how to fix hard drive not showing up in Windows 10 and 11 File Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and even leave a comment on this video. Have a nice time.